Hey guys, welcome back to Mix. My name is Sam and today I'm going to show you a cute and simple hairstyle on Zora. Hey girls, you ready to get your hair done today?
No.
No, yes and no. Maybe so?
Maybe. No.
See you in our video.
Yeah. See you.
So today I'm starting on freshly washed and conditioned hair and I'm just creating a center part down the middle of her head. Going to make a part going from the center part down to just in front of her ear. This part's probably like an inch and a half in width, and I'm going to clip that section off and come back to it later. So now I'm gonna create another section, and this section is gonna be a little bit less than halfway from in the middle of that large section in the back. So it'll go from the middle of her head to just behind her ear. And if you look at the sections, the one in the front is the smallest, and then there's like a medium-sized section and then a larger section in the back. And Zora's hair was freshly washed and detangled, but if I leave it loose even for a moment, it starts to form little knots, and so I'm just brushing through to make sure that there are no tangles, and I'm adding some of a twist cream, I believe it is, very, very small amount from the Dew, and then I'm going to create a ponytail here and secure it with the hair ties that I love that do not snag Zora's hair. One thing with my videos that you'll often see is I kind of wiggle the hair tie after it's secured and loosen it up a little bit. I notice people tend to tighten the hair ties. Again, I don't like tension at her scalp, so I will loosen the hair ties a little bit. So here I just sectioned that ponytail into two, clipped one half away, and now I'm doing a 2-strand twist out of the second half, and then I'm going to do another 2-strand twist. So this will be a ponytail with 2 twists coming out of it. You could do one, but Zora's hair is pretty thick in this section, and I find that 2 lasts better and looks better. Okay, so here I'm going to create another ponytail, and I'm going to just put a bun in it. So what we're gonna have is the back is gonna have the 2-strand twists, and then the middle section is going to have a bun, and then the front section I'm going to do a flat twist. Now you'll see when I create a bun, I tend to make a 2-strand twist and then twist that around. I find that it keeps my bun lasting longer and I like the look of it, but you could just create a bun however you like. I find that doing these hairstyles where it's kind of a mix of different mediums, maybe, I don't know the word, but like we've got the twists and the buns and the flat twists, ends up giving you a really polished, put together look like you've done something very creative, but really it's just using the same formula of mixing up what you're doing with each ponytail. Rather, if I just did 6 ponytails with twists at the bottom, it would just look pretty basic, although trust me, that's one of my go-to styles. Okay, I have a big disclaimer here. I actually don't really know how to flat twist. I just learned about flat twisting, and I learned that one of the real benefits for it is that it's less tension on the scalp, and also I really like the look of a flat twist out on Zora, so I'm practicing. But as you can see, my hands look like they don't know what they're doing, and I kind of feel like I understand how people feel when they're trying to learn how to cornrow now, because I feel like I always knew how to cornrow, and now I'm trying to figure out how to flat twist, and it's hard, but I kind of think it looks okay, and I really like the end result. I'm just gonna do the exact same thing on the other side, and boom, here you have it. This is our quick, easy, super cute hairstyle for Zora. I love to add little clips when I can, and these are some cute butterfly clips that I found at Target. When Zora saw herself in the mirror, she thought she was so cute. She loved the butterfly, she loved this style, and it lasted for, I think, 4 or 5 days without looking too bad. So here's our final look. Tell me what you guys think down in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks, and we'll see you next time. Bye.